In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to Taskbar, full guide. If you like the speed and simplicity of opening Gmail with a single click, adding it to your Windows taskbar is the perfect solution. We'll turn Gmail into an app-like window, then pin it so it's always just one tap away. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're on your inbox, so the shortcut points to the right place. We'll be using Google Chrome for this process since the option we need lives in Chrome's menu. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three vertical dots to open the browser menu. This is where Chrome keeps tools for creating app-style shortcuts. Depending on your Chrome version, you might see slightly different labels next, and that's okay. Look in that menu for an option related to installing the page as an app. On some versions, you'll see Install right away, sometimes labeled Install this site as an app. On others, hover over Save and Share or More Tools to reveal additional options. From there, choose either Install Page as App or Create Shortcut. Both paths get you to the same place. If you're presented with the Create Shortcut dialog, be sure to check the box that says Open as Window. This is important. It makes Gmail open in its own clean window, without the usual browser tabs and address bar, so it behaves more like a dedicated desktop app and shows up as a separate icon on your taskbar. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Install or Create. Chrome will spin up a new Gmail window that looks and feels like a standalone app. That's your cue for the final pin. With that new Gmail window open, look down at your taskbar. You'll see a fresh Gmail icon representing this app window. Right-click that icon and select Pin to Taskbar. Pinning locks the icon in place so it stays even after you close Gmail, and from now on, you can launch your inbox directly from the taskbar with a single click. A quick recap: open Gmail in Chrome, use the three-dot menu, find Install or Create Shortcut under Save and Share or More Tools, make sure Open as Window is checked if you see it, confirm, and then right-click the new taskbar icon to pin it. If your menu wording looks a little different, just remember you're aiming to install the page as an app or create a shortcut that opens in its own window. That's it. Your Gmail is now just a tap away. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.